Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to view upvoted posts on Reddit. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Reddit. After that let's upvote any video, for example. After that we need to go to our account here and now scroll down and click history. After that click recent here and click upvoted, and here you can find that upvoted video, and that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.